Welcome back to Valhalla. I have a small fun project for you. Making a mystery box. It could be a gift box, a secret compartment. Just hide something inside an object. I'm gonna show you how to. So I'm just starting a new design in Fusion 360 and I'm gonna do a sketch on the top plane. We are gonna do a rectangle. This shape is just random, so it could be anything. It's gonna be a quick video. We're gonna do a center rectangle. Let's do it 40-40. Finish sketch. Do an extrude. Let's do it 45. We wanna taper it a little bit. All this funny. I'm gonna do it 48 as well. New body, okay. I want this to be like a keyring or something. Actually, I made one for my dog. I'm gonna show you later. So it has bells inside, which I connect to his collar, so I can hear him when we are going in the woods. We want a loop on the top here, and I want to draw a drawing on the mid plane. It will be. In our case, the front plane is the mid plane, and I want to slice it from the sketch palette. Just check mark, slice, and I'm gonna go create, and we're gonna go project intersect. I'm just gonna hit body. So then I have the intersect. As you can see, I want this to be support free. Before I do the loop, I want to make a shell. First I want to do some chamfers. I don't like these sharp edges. 3mm. Let's see how it looks with 4. Yeah, it could be okay. 4mm. And then I'm gonna go... Actually I'm gonna go in my timeline now and move this chamfer so it's before the sketch. I'm gonna edit this chamfer. So just double click, and I'm gonna also grab these guys. This is more what I want. Our shape for this, it could be anything, but yeah, I want it to be easy to print. So going back to my sketch again and slice. And then I'm just gonna do line from here to here to, it could be a rectangle as well. Yeah, something like this. A center line. So I'm just gonna snap here and just go up and do midpoint constraint between this point and that line. Then we are going to make that line a construction line. And we can also do some measurements on that line. So let's do it maybe 12. We can look at that later. And I want some distance here. Let's say 2mm. I can now see I want it higher as well, maybe 15. Let's try that. So we need a profile because I'm gonna sweep this guy. So make a drawing here. Just go P for project and hit the plane and do OK. Actually, I want the project this points as well. So go from have a look from the top plane. I'm going to do a rectangle. I want it to be a center rectangle, so from the sketch palette, just hit the center rectangle. And I want it to be 4x4, I think it should be okay. I don't think we need a second profile, but let's just do it. I mean, it doesn't hurt. It's gonna be 4x4. Finish sketch. Then we're gonna do a sweep. So from the create panel, we are going to find sweep. We are going to select our profile, or profiles in this case, and the path should be this line. and we have join going on. Now we did actually forget something because we need to shell this thing. Let me just go back in the timeline. Maybe we should even do that before our sketches. So go to modify and shell and just hit some edge on this guy. It depends on what you want to use this for. It could be like a gift surprise thing where you hide a ring inside or something, and then you want it really thin so you can open it, and then you can give away like a keyring, but it's really a diamond or something. But let me do 1 millimeter for this object, and then we can have a look inside. Inspect section, and we need to pick a plane. So this is how it looks like inside. And this is now support free because we can bridge this part, or else it would not be possible to do this. So we need the top plane to be horizontal. Okay, so this part is solid, this is shell. And we can do A for appearance, glass texture on it, just to have a better look inside. See how things are. I also want to do some chamfers here. Maybe 4. Again, chamfer on this edge and that edge, or maybe 2. 2 millimeter on the inside here. So now we have like a keyring. It's actually done. I don't know how long time that took, but not very long. So let's go to tools and make, print. I'm just gonna save it. And let's go to Cura. So in Cura, choose whatever material. Open the dome or whatever you want to call it. Actually, I want to push my line width now to 0.5 because of the walls are 1 millimeter thick. So let's just slice it and see. I want to go wall line count. I'm gonna want to go 3, I think. So this looks okay. I would like this part to be more dense. It doesn't seem to grab any infill. Not sure why. So let's push the wall line count to 4. Yeah, that's more it. So I want that part to be a little bit more solid. I think I'm happy with that. I want to push my layer height to 0.25. I just want this to be a quick print. 33 minutes it says. 4 top layers is of course 1 millimeter, so that's what we want. So it's all dense at the top here, no infill, and the same at the bottom. It should be good. We're just gonna print it. There it is, on its way. You are going to see me in a couple of seconds, which is about half an hour for me. Stay tuned. I'm gonna print a little bit, and then I'm gonna drop in the domes. And then we have a bell, which I'm gonna place on the collar of Lucky, my dog. So these are the bells. So I just need the walls to be a little bit higher before I drop them in. So we have reached 15 in sea height, so I'm just gonna pause. Then we're gonna drop in the bells. So yeah, seems like we need to go higher to place the next one. So we are at 24 millimeter in sea height. I'm gonna have a look, pausing, see if we can drop it in. That seems good. Just gonna resume doing the top. Will be interesting to see if this works. So the dome is finished. We have some stringing going on. This was printed with a 0.8 nozzle. It's a little bit rough, doesn't matter really. Let's let it cool down and see if it works. Lucky he's wondering what's going on. We got some bells now. So I have to try it tonight and see if he can walk around with it or not. Fun project. You can really hide anything. Just a small project I wanted to show you guys.